So today we're gonna climb Mount Lam Lam to rescue some orchid species that fell down with a tree from the storm. So I think we are gonna rescue Bulbophyllum guamense and Dendrobium guamense, big patches of orchids, and we'll try and bring them down with the crew and then have them in our nursery, and then hopefully we can bring them back into the forest at a later time. So this is part of a watershed, right? And you can see there's a lot of volcanic forest, and they call it riparian forest. But up at the ridge, if you look over there, you can see a different type of forest, and that is actually limestone forest. And that grows perpendicularly on the ridge, and it's actually old limestone that actually harbors a lot of endangered species that we'll see today. Marianum, which is a shrub that's actually adjusted growing in this volcanic soil and can withstand erosion really well. And this is the Lada, or the Morinda citrifolia, and this fruit, which looks very gooey and not very delicious, but is very healthy actually. And I think almost every part of this tree is used for medicine or food. Today we're here to do a rescue because during a storm, one of the bigger joga trees, which carries a lot of our endangered orchids, fell down. And so today we brought a whole crew down to teach how to conduct these rescues of endangered orchids. And this is the Dendrobium guamense, which is threatened with extinction. So what we're doing is we're actually just using pocket knives to peel the bark of the tree together with the orchids, and then we'll take them to our rare plant nursery at the UG Center for Island Sustainability and Sea Grant Rare Plant Nursery. And once they're back recovered from being translocated, we hope to bring them back into the forest or even within the community in their yards, because we have a program which is called Taiparehu, which is Chamorro for unique, and people can take care of these orchids in their yards.
We just got back down from our Mount Lam Lam hike. We did an orchid rescue, an endangered orchid rescue, primarily Dendrobium guamense. So now that we brought it back, we got these trays. Dr. Els de Luminari's idea. So she's replicating these pebbles, kind of make like a substrate for the orchids to kind of keep moisture and have them latch their roots together. And yeah, we're just gonna, the whole purpose is to save it and eventually outplant them back into their natural habitat.